This is how I get rid of the winter dirt. In no time, you'll have your balcony ready for spring. All you need is a simple homemade mixture. Snow, melting, and the buildup of soot make your balcony require a deep cleaning after the winter months. Luckily, you don't need to use expensive detergents. A proven homemade method will help you effectively clean the tiles. First, remove all the furniture and items from the balcony. Then, sweep up the leaves and other debris with a brush with stiff bristles. Once the surface is ready, wash the tiles with water and dish soap. Next, prepare the homemade mixture. Mix baking soda with hydrogen peroxide and apply it to the stains, scrubbing with a sponge or brush. Finally, rinse with clean water. Before cleaning, test the mixture in an inconspicuous area. If the tiles react well to it, you can clean the entire surface. With this simple trick, your balcony will be ready for spring. After the winter, I take aluminum foil and wrap the balcony railing with it. This method provides 100% effectiveness. Plain aluminum foil will ensure you won't have to do anything else. You surely have aluminum foil at home. It has many uses. Besides wrapping sandwiches and baking meat, you can use it in the dishwasher. Thanks to aluminum foil, glasses, cups, and cutlery are shiny. You've probably already discovered why it's worth throwing aluminum foil balls into the toilet tank. And you already know that aluminum foil is useful for removing grease after frying. The solidified grease can be thrown away with the foil. Thanks to the foil, you don't have to clog your pipes and spend money on a plumber. But you surely don't know about this use of aluminum foil yet. Take a piece of aluminum foil and wrap it around the railing. The piece of foil must be longer to wrap it properly on the metal railing. Take another piece and wrap the railing next to it. The foil serves a protective role. Thanks to it, I won't have to clean the balcony as often. How is that possible? The foil will prevent pigeons from sitting on it. Thanks to it, I no longer have to chase them away or clean up after them. The foil rustles and shines. Birds don't like that. They'll choose other places, but they'll avoid your balcony from now on. I hang garbage bags on the balcony. My grandma taught me this trick, and I always do it during winter. I highly recommend this trick to everyone. I can't imagine surviving the entire winter without it. All my friends have tried it too, and now my family doesn't even bat an eye when they see more bags on the balcony. I tie them to the railing. That works best. Larger trash bags with strings are perfect for this. It's even better when they have strings that I can use not only to tie the bag, but also to fasten it to the railing. Other bags work as well. I don't use this trick all year round. There need to be appropriate conditions. Winter is the best time for it. When I have these bags, I go around the house and tidy up. I check the living room and bedroom, collecting everything that fits into the bag. But it's not garbage. These bags aren't meant for waste or trash. They're intended for something else. From the bedroom, I take pillows and remove the pillowcases. They are ordinary sleeping pillows. I remove the pillowcases and take them for laundry. I put the pillow into the bag. I do the same with the next pillow. I also take pillows from the sofa and pack them into garbage bags. I do this whenever it's freezing and the temperature drops below 0. I expose pillows, blankets, comforters, and even children's stuffed animals to the cold. I use the balcony for this purpose. My grandma used to take everything outside and lay it on the snow. Low temperatures kill dust mites, bacteria, and various insects. All the items that I don't wash in the machine, I expose to the cold in winter. Thanks to this, they are free from dust mites, and the stale dust smell disappears. They now only smell like fresh air. Before the heating season, pour this simple mixture onto your radiator, and it will be clean and smell like new. Many people forget to properly prepare their heaters for winter, and throughout the year, a lot of dust accumulates inside them. However, you don't need to disassemble the radiator to clean it. Just pour a washing solution through it. In a measuring cup or jug, add 2 tablespoons of laundry powder, which effectively removes dirt. Then, pour in 500 milliliters of warm water and mix well until the powder dissolves. Place a bowl under the radiator and then slowly pour the mixture in so that it flows through its inner parts. The dirt that has accumulated there will start flowing into the bowl immediately. This is the best way to thoroughly remove dust, and the warm air from the radiator won't spread dust mites, which allergy sufferers will particularly appreciate. Pour this magical mixture into a bucket, and your floors will shine flawlessly. With this trick, they'll be so clean you could eat right off them. Start by preparing a large bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of salt to help remove dirt effectively. Then, mix in 1 tablespoon of baking soda to break down grease and refresh the floor. Pour in 2 tablespoons of dish soap to dissolve stains and 2 tablespoons of vinegar, which acts as a natural disinfectant. Finally, add 3 tablespoons of alcohol to help the floor dry faster and leave it perfectly clean. Boil 1 liter of water and pour it into the bowl, stirring well until all ingredients are fully dissolved. Then, add 1 liter of cold water to bring the solution to the perfect cleaning temperature. Transfer the mixture into a convenient container for easy application. This homemade solution not only cleans effectively, but also leaves a pleasant, fresh scent throughout your home. After mopping, your floors will have a spectacular shine and look brand new. It's a brilliant alternative to expensive cleaning products, delivering excellent results with minimal effort. This is better than 100 plumbers. The drain will never clog or smell. I'll show you how to make a product that destroys the unpleasant bacteria causing bad odors. You'll forget about clogged drains. It only takes 2 minutes to prepare this solution. It also prevents blockages and reduces mineral buildup in the drain. Take a container and add 5 tablespoons of dishwashing detergent. A thick one works best. Now, take a lemon and squeeze out the juice. Lemon has amazing cleaning properties. It's a natural agent that breaks down grease and dirt. Pour a few tablespoons of the juice into the container with the detergent. Also, add 1 tablespoon of salt. Salt is a great disinfectant on its own. Mix everything well. You'll notice that the ingredients have formed a thick cleaning solution. Now let's combine it with basil tea. Boil fresh basil leaves in water. The tea helps eliminate the heavy odors that come from clogged pipes. Pour the mixture into the drain overnight. Be sure to rinse with very hot water the next day. Repeat this a few times a month to avoid unpleasant smells and clogged drains. The ventilation grill will work like new. Just one thing is enough to clean it without removing it. The amount of moisture in the bathroom and throughout the house depends on the operation of the ventilator. Few people check if it works properly, but all it takes is a piece of paper. If you put it against the grill, it should stick. If the ventilation properly extracts air, it will hold the paper or piece of paper without any problems. But what if the ventilation isn't working properly? Check if the grill itself needs cleaning. If there is a lot of dirt and dust on it, it may restrict its operation. Some grills can be removed. Before you do that, prepare some baking soda. Dilute it with water. Take the grill and a toothbrush. Clean the grill above the sink. Rinse it off and reinstall it. You can also clean the grill without removing it. All you need is a cloth and a knife. Dampen the cloth with dishwashing liquid. Wrap it around the knife. This way, you can clean the slots in the ventilation grill without removing it. Some grills can accumulate a lot of dirt. After such a treatment, the ventilation should work much better.